7 KABAN in the Mayan calendar, the day to have magic in our wisdom. And today, let's ask ourselves if we have practiced this big or little knowledge that we have. Because when we practice that knowledge, we transform that knowledge in wisdom. And also, even if it's little, we open the doors to get more knowledge, which is the way that you are doing things. When we become masters, when we just work every day on what we know is here, when we share the wisdom that we have, when we really are living that knowledge. And in this trecena with CHUWEN, with the monkey, let's really enjoy this life, being in the present, having this magic of wisdom in our heart to really live our beautiful life.